I am Carmen Capriles from La Paz, Bolivia. So mountains are like our grandparents. We call them apus. We literally call them apus. So we are kind of like the granddaughters and grandsons of these huge apus. And we say that they have these white ponchos, which are the glaciers. They are like very mythical and huge creatures that are there to protect us. Most of the water our city relies on, it's coming from the melting of these glaciers. I think for us, the biggest turning point was 2009, when we lost the Chacaltaya Glacier. It's the first time a tropical glacier disappears. We saw at first hand how the glacier from a place where we used to go when we were kids, where we used to like play with the snow and be with like the family, to a place that was a mountain that was totally uncovered. That was the exact point where our demand for water as a city was more than the offer. We had a water shortage, and it was half the city didn't have access to clean water. It lasted like 90 days. So those were two things that happened kind of like at the same time that made us realize that there is a problem. We need to face it, and we need to see what we can do. Our carbon footprint per capita, it's the highest in Latin America. It's higher than people from some of the East European countries, for example, and it's because of deforestation. Because you see, what's melting the glaciers faster is the burning of the Amazonic forest. The burning of the Amazonic forest, it generates black carbon. Black carbon gets into the glacier and turns it darker. As soon as it's darker, it absorbs more heat, it melts faster. What we do need is policies to stop deforestation in the Amazonian part. We are heating the planet as we speak, and we need to change that trend because it's taking us to these phenomena that we have never seen before. And it's not a question of who did what or when it happened or how it happened. Is that right now we have a challenge and we have to face it. I would like my children or my granddaughters to see the white mountain range of Los Andes, to know it, to see the Great Lake Titicaca, and not a contaminated planet. My name is Carmen Capriles. I am from La Paz, Bolivia, and I am Klimaatling.